I want to quickly give you some tips today about how to do some holiday styles. Like change it up and keep it kind of simple and still kind of give the nod to the holiday that you're not a little Scrooge and that you're into you want to give a little pop of flair and change it up a little bit. I want to give you some little ideas of what to do with your hair. Hey, welcome to another video. Welcome to the Bajo channel. This is the home of self-care, beauty, wellness, and any and everything that'll help you to become the most empowered version of you. I want to quickly give you some tips today about how to do some holiday styles. Like change it up and keep it kind of simple and still kind of give the nod to the holiday that you're not a little Scrooge and that you're into you want to give a little pop of flair and change it up a little bit. I want to give you some little ideas of what to do with your hair, no matter what style it's in. I'm going to give you some ideas of what to do to kind of jazz it up at your little holiday party, when your family come over, or maybe you guys are going out, maybe you're going to visit your friends, whatever you're doing and however your hair is styled. I'm going to give you a couple of ideas of some things that I've seen and I've done, and it's not going to damage your hair. I like doing things, little changes to enhance. Whenever you're doing your hair, no matter what season it is, and no matter what's going on, never compromise the integrity of your hair. I don't care what style it is. I don't care what type of accessory you want to add to your hair. It's not worth damaging your hair at any time during any season. So I will just say that as a little caveat so you can understand like what I'm going to tell you is simple, but it's cutesy. When you go to a party or you're going out for a holiday shindig and you just want to show up with a little like Christmas, New Year's, I'm here, but not overkill. Not overkill, just a little cutesy, a little bit. So I'm gonna give you a couple of ideas and share it. If you like it, try it and let us know how it work out for you because I've seen these things and I'm very creative and you have to be able to pull it off in terms of like your confidence with it. You can't do these type of little tricks with your hair and you are so concerned with who's looking or how they are perceiving you. It's fun, it's festive, and just enjoy it. You got to just kind of go with it. So one of the first things that I love to do, and I've seen it in different ways. I've seen it done depending on how your hair is already styled. You know the garland that people use for their Christmas trees? You can get a bunch of that from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree or the dollar store. And depending on the color that you're wearing, you can do a few things with the garland. One of the things you can do with the garland is take it, right, and cut it into little pieces, right? And when you go to the Dollar Tree or the dollar store, they have like these little barrettes or like little clips. And you can literally take that garland, the little pieces of garland that you break off, and you could put a clip in there and literally, or even a bobby pin. You can even take it on a bobby pin, and if your hair's like styled a certain way, you make it push it back to the side and put a little pieces of garland like here. Or if you have like a ponytail, I've seen someone do a ponytail, have their ponytail pulled up, and the ponytail is hanging, and you some people have weaved that garland in and out of that ponytail, which is really cute. Or or I've also seen, how you have the holiday bells. So again, all of this stuff is at the Dollar Tree. You can get these little cute little decorative items, but you have like these holiday bells. Like sometimes you can get the small little holiday bells. I if you take if your hair is say your hair is in a ponytail or your hair is in twists, like you know what I mean, like, and these are things that's not gonna break your hair. Not If it's too heavy, we're not doing it. That's why I'm telling you to find like these little lightweight items. You could get the little cute little teeny bells. If your hair is like in twists or whatever, they have the little bells, and the bells have these wire twists on it. A lot of them have the wire twists on it, like sort of kind of like those wire twists that's on bread, like when you closing up a bag of bread, and they have the twist that you could twist it. You could get those from the. You could get those also from the store, but take the bell and put little bell at the bottom of your twist, so you can twist it and hide the actual twist, and you kind of have this little jingle, shingle, bingle. You know what I mean? Like a little, jingle bell kind of flavor going on, which is really cute. And they also have the bells in different colors. They have the silver, green, little metallic-y green, metallic-y red, gold, like Christmas colors, which is so cute. And any other way that you can use that type of style, like it doesn't necessarily have to be at the end of your hair, but if your hair is, say you already have your hair pinned up, or say your hair is in braids, maybe you could kind of pull your hair up or braid your hair to the side and maybe put some bells through there with some garland, like do a little both of them. And it doesn't have to be overkill to your taste. It's almost like salt. You know how you salt your food or you season your food, and you have some people that's like they pouring it on because that's just their flavor, and then you may have other people that's want to like sprinkle it. You can use these decorations in your hair as you will, to your flavor. If you want a little more beat, do it. If you do not, pull back. Another thing that I have seen done and I've done myself, they have the holiday beads. You got the same thing, the long row of the green metallic beads, and people normally wrap it around their Christmas tree. You could take those beads, right? And you can literally make a little headpiece from the beads. Sometimes people take those beads, right? And you could take those beads and kind of bring it around your forehead and kind of bring it back. And a lot of those beads, you could cut it or you could make them shorter with little tie pieces or whatever if you're into that type of thing. But it's just so cute. Another thing that's super simple to do, depending on how your hair is done, they have this little fake imitation snow that if your hair is like done, say you just have bangs, they have like this little imitation snow that you can kind of like dust your hair with. They even have it like in a spray bottle. Some of it is in a spray bottle where you could kind of like spray your bangs, or maybe even your hair might frame your face. And it's something you can literally like brush out of your hair when you're finished. You know what I mean? Play around with different things. It's the holiday. Have fun. We are making memories. You know what I mean? Do something that makes you feel alive. And don't take it so seriously. Don't take it so seriously in terms of like your hair. The main thing with holiday hair is to make sure you're not doing anything that's just too tight or that is breaking. You got this style going on for the day. You got a whole contraption in your hair. And by the time you take it out, your edges is breaking. You got a bald spot going on. Like it's too much. Everything I'm saying is like very hair friendly. Hair is safe. Even they have at the Dollar Tree, I've seen little pine cones, like these baby pine cones. Like when you see these little artifacts and these little things, I always think hair because that's just what I do. But it's so many ways that you could create little headbands and just put the little headbands that have these little decorative, or you can make it yourself. You can customize your stuff. But when it comes to your hair and the holiday, just make sure whatever you want to do, that it's not going to break your hair down and put you on a whole restoration journey starting in the new year. We're doing this for fun. It's lighthearted, and just, go with it. Just go with it. I love it. Like, and I'll cheat. I'll just go ahead and buy me like a little holiday clip, maybe a clip that got like a little candy cane on it or something. I just throw it in my hair. But if I want to be jazzy, I'll do something different. You know what I mean? I'll take little small, I'll bring the garland through my hair and just kind of pull it to the side or play around with it. Play around with it. There's no right or wrong way to do it, but just make sure. The wrong way to do it is if it's too tight or if it's something that's going to break your hair or, you want to be comfortable. Just lightweight, lighthearted. It's fun and it's festive. So yeah, it's so much you can do with your hair for the holidays. Um, Another thing that you can also do, one last thing that you can do that I have seen done before is the white snowballs. Like these little snow, it's like cotton, but the way they have it is set, it's like little snowballs. Like maybe it could be you could make a snowman out of it, but they're very little, right? And you could literally bring those things through a string, right? And you could kind of weave that some kind of pattern in your hair. You could do it as a little headband. It's little simple things that just give yourself and give people a lift like, wow, that's cute. Like, that's nice. If you're feeling that way. If you're feeling that way. And I'm giving you these things so you can know that it's simple. It's simple. It doesn't have to be something elaborate. It doesn't have to be far outstretched and all of this. You don't even have to do all of that. It's you don't have to. You could be cute and unique. And that's like I'm a person, I like to be different. I like to be creative. I love being creative. Sometimes it don't work out. Sometimes it do, but I'm at a point in my life that I don't even care. I try and I'm happy. It makes me happy. You got to get to a point where you're at a place in your life where you're comfortable, but they're just trying new things, and especially during the holiday. Holiday hair is fun. It is fun. And if you have any ideas or some things that you've tried, drop it in the comments. I want to know. I want to see. I get so many, so many. Maybe I'll do another video on some more holiday hair because I got a whole bunch of different ideas. Some of them take a little bit longer. Nothing too drastic. Like I said, everything is lightweight. Everything is lighthearted, and it's just something for you to fess it up and jazz it up a little bit. So yeah, I thank you for listening to this video. This is the Bajo channel, home of self-care, beauty, wellness, and any and everything that'll help you to become the most empowered version of you. I thank you for listening. And remember, self-care, it is the best care. Later.